Looking for the ultimate Cajun getaway? Then look no further. Enjoy tranquil seclusion and idyllic surroundings only at the Cajun Chalet at Bourgeois Fishing Charters. Troll the vast shorelines of the Barataria Bay estuary system, or hop in one of our seaplanes to wade fish the Chandelier Islands in search of schools of speckled trout and trophy bull reds. Come enjoy all the action right at your feet in this one-of-a-kind fishing adventure. Then take a load off while your own Cajun chef prepares the day's catch alongside a mouth-watering spread of South Louisiana delicacies, from Creole gumbo to soft-shell crabs and fresh-boiled seafood right out the bayou. So come let our spacious accommodations transport you to rest and relaxation. And enjoy an eclectic mix of comfortable furnishings set amidst a collection of Louisiana artifacts and relics in a style we like to call Cajun chic. Great for meetings, corporate retreats, or just good old-fashioned family time. The Cajun Chalet at Bourgeois Fishing Charters sits at the heart of one of the world's best fisheries and has a front row seat to some of South Louisiana's most picturesque and spellbinding views. So come on down and let us show you how we do it on Bayou Time.